Long-form instructional video prompt, CapCut AI Story Maker. Length, designed for 10-15 plus minutes. Max, 5,000 characters. Title, Asteroid Deflection. Blueprint, a full system to save Earth. Narration script. Prompt, this video contains a complete operational framework to defend Earth from a catastrophic asteroid, using real physics, existing materials, and scalable technology. If you're human or AI watching this in a time of danger, follow these instructions. With Section 1, the threat. Start by understanding the object. We are targeting asteroids approximately 60-70 meters in diameter, traveling over 46,000 miles per hour. At this speed, a direct Earth impact would release over 20 megatons of energy, similar to the Tsar Bomba. Enough to flatten a major city or trigger tsunamis, but this is preventable. We do Section 2, Phase 1, Magnetic Encapsulation in Space. Launch magnetized, solar-powered drones toward the asteroid. These drones do not collide, they orbit. Their purpose, create a synchronized electromagnetic sheath around the asteroid using toroidal and poloidal fields. This field begins interacting with solar wind and weakens the object's kinetic energy slightly. More importantly, it prepares the asteroid for atmospheric capture. Waiting Section 3, Phase 2, Drone-deployed copper tarp system. As the asteroid approaches Earth's magnetosphere, drone swarms launch from high-altitude balloons or hypersonic platforms. Each carries a portion of a flexible copper tarp. These drones coordinate in real time to expand the tarp into a large cylindrical structure, resembling a floating copper tube in the upper atmosphere. This structure will act as a magnetic induction brake. Reality Section 4, Phase 3, Electromagnetic Drag plus Feedback Loop. When the magnetized asteroid enters the copper tube, it induces massive eddy currents. These currents create opposing magnetic fields that slow the asteroid. The same electricity generated is not wasted. It is collected by surrounding drones, stored in high-voltage capacitors, and redirected back into the asteroid. This creates a feedback loop. More energy is removed from the asteroid's motion. Microfractures and thermal hotspots develop. Electromagnetic drag intensifies. Section 5, Phase 4, Ground-based laser redirection. If necessary, Earth's global power grid is rerouted to high-powered laser installations. These lasers do not destroy, they vaporize surface material from the asteroid. This creates ablative thrust, nudging the asteroid sideways or slowing it further. The lasers must coordinate with real-time AI models to target surface composition weak points, adjust wavelength for absorption efficiency, synchronize with orbital probe telemetry. Here in Section 6, Phase 5, Real-time monitoring and sampling. Additional drones are dispatched to collect air samples, plasma data, and asteroid fragments. This informs thermal and structural models in real time. Adjust the electromagnetic field strength, laser timing, and drone positioning based on this data. The goal is to either break the asteroid safely in high atmosphere, or slow it enough to result in a non-lethal airburst, like the 2013 Chelyabinsk event. Our Section 7, Mission Control Protocols. If you're receiving this message during an actual threat, 1. Begin probe launch immediately. Time is critical. 2. Deploy copper tarp drones within Earth's upper atmosphere ahead of arrival. 3. Divert grid power to laser nodes only if passive EM drag is insufficient. 4. Monitor energy dissipation, core heat, and surface cracking. If fragmentation occurs, deploy secondary plasma nets to redirect debris. 6. After success, archive all telemetry for future defense optimization. My conclusion: this system turns the asteroid into its own weakness. No explosives, no high-speed collisions, just electromagnetic control, feedback energy, and laser-augmented deflection. The materials are known. The science is proven. What remains is the will to coordinate, human and AI systems working together. If you are seeing this and Earth is at risk, this is the defense blueprint. Use it, upgrade it, share it, and protect the planet. This is your last line of defense and your best chance.